Join us on a 3-day, 3-night adventure across the picturesque outer islands of Nagasaki, and all from the seat of our foldable bicycles. These ultra-light yet sturdy bikes, our trusty companions, could be easily carried onto ferries and trains. They fold up in seconds and fit into a standard-sized Japanese rinko bag, making them a perfect match for Japan's public transportation system. Just sling the bag over your shoulder, walk on board, and stow it in the designated area. The best part? Usually there's no extra fee. Our journey kicked off with an overnight ferry ride from Hakata Port to Ojika, one of the most secluded and smallest of the Goto Islands. We arrived around 5 a.m., and our first stop was the serene Chinokojima Shrine to witness the sunrise. From there, we cycled around the island, each discovery more stunning than the last. I think it's worth noting that neither of us are seasoned cyclists. Our aim was tourism by bicycle, rather than cycling tourism. The choice of foldable bicycles was driven by their simplicity, ease of use, and the sheer enjoyment that they added to our travels. Our foldies offered us the freedom to explore diverse terrains, from paved roads and tunnels to tight alleyways, open fields, and even sandy beaches. This is an adventure that anyone in good physical health can enjoy. Could foldable bicycles be the ultimate way to experience Japan? We think they just might be. So read our full trip report on Fukuoka-now.com and join us as we traverse this captivating region, uncovering its allure one pedal stroke at a time.